Welcome to our group presentation. We are Group 1 and today we are excited to take you through our journey in developing a digital map for the University of Moratuwa, Geo Visionaries 1.0. Before we dive into the project, let's see what's really a map. A map is a visual presentation of an area showing physical properties, boundaries, or other information. It is a tool we use for navigation, analysis, and understanding the surfaces. Maps have evolved significantly over time, from ancient hand-drawn clay tablets to printed maps, and later, with the evolution of technology and computer-based systems, today we use smart maps integrated with AI and mobile apps. These diagrams clearly depicts the evolution of the map system. Now, let's see, why do we really need a map for a university system? Especially, university is a place where thousands of students, not only the students, but also the staff members gathered one day, are essential during large events like orientations, convocations, for sport meets, for managing food traffic, and directing attendees. We, as fresh undergraduates, we face this struggle. So, this experience led us to create this kind of a map. And the second reason why do we really need a map is academic and research usage. And also, students in fields like geography, geology, civil engineering, and environmental science use maps for analysis, fieldwork, and simulation. So we hope that our map system will be a support for them too. And the integration with technology. We already know that this is an era where the technology leads us. So in such an era, support from the technology, even in mapping system, is very important. And this map system can be linked with students' apps or university portal for real-time navigation, shuttle tracking, or finding available study rooms. We hope to develop our present map system up to this kind of a level. So this is our final target. These reasons, let's see what really made us to create this kind of a map. University of Moratuwa wide university structure is difficult to navigate, especially for those who are unfamiliar with its environment. We, as fresh undergraduates, we experience this struggle. So this experience, as I mentioned earlier, led us to create this kind of a map. Now let's see how we selected each and every part of our whole process section by section. So here's our scope. Our project objective is to develop an interactive map for the University of Moratuwa, and the initial focus is begin with the detailed map of all the premises for new intakes of the Faculty of Engineering. Platform is to deliver the solutions via a website for easy access and navigation. Our long-term vision is to expand the interactive map to cover the entire university and develop the map to the 3D version. So I should mention that the prototype that we already have created is only limited for the targeting the new intakes of the Faculty of Engineering, because we as experiencers, because we experience this struggle of finding our labs and the relevant lecture halls during our first sem, because we were very new for this environment. We were really struggling in finding the location, and it made us even some delays in attending the lectures in proper time. So, diving into our whole process, what we realized is that our task is somewhat complex. So, we had to partition the whole task into many different parts. We thought that it would make our work easier. So we decided to create a 2D map showing the correct route, and each team shared each task for the efficiency of this group. Accordingly, our team understood to find accurate information on the locations of the laboratories that we came across during our first semester academic period. Moreover, we had to communicate with the relevant officers and staff in order to access data and premises. These are the diagrams of the labs that we came across in our first sem. So these are also the diagrams of the labs and indicating the coordinates. So next, the challenges faced during the project and our solutions. Like any project, we have to face challenges. By overcoming the challenges, we have to face the success of our project. So basically, the main challenge that we had to face is the lack of technical support. So this was the major problem that we had to face, because creating a software is not that way easy for all of us. There are some languages to be learned, and there are some how to do it, and there should be a potential to do it. So we just took the support from our peer groups that were very expert in creating maps and in this field. And basically the platform and the online pathways are created by them under our guidance and our support. So we as a group, we did not have that skill. So we had two solutions, whether we had to learn it from beginning. So, but within the time frame, we were not able to learn it from this very beginning because we had to manage our academics, but also we had not much time to deal with such a new subject. So the next option that we had is reached out to a group of tech. This was the option that we really took. And the next struggle that we already face is the challenges in plotting the coordinates of two places within the same z-axis. Actually, this is very important in directing a new graduate. The next challenge that we had to face is challenges in plotting the coordinates of two planes with the same z-axis. Actually, this is just like our map is a solution for a current problem, actually, because in Google Maps, this option is not available. We face the struggle here, there, and we found the solution here. Our map is a custom built one for the University of Moratuwa, and it offers features that Google Map does not provide for the university system and navigation. And here's some standouts, right? So in indoor and outdoor details, we have addressed vertical navigation by including the floor number. This indication is very important because the client can understand the location even by the floor number. We already know that the coordinates of a whole or a building with the same z-axis or the same z coordinate, they cannot find the exact location. For giving the solution for that, we realized mentioning the floor number is somewhat important. So this is something that the Google Map does not support, but our map system support. So we used a separate code to mention the floor number. So the next struggle that we faced is data collection issues conducted on. So to overcome this challenge, we arranged some site visits, and we as a group went from one hall and one department to department, and we asked from their staff, and we took their permission, and we arranged site visits. Not just a site visit, we arranged many site visits as we could, and we took the photographs, and we took the details and the contact numbers of the staff, and we gathered the informations and the coordinate, mainly the coordinates. So the next struggle is difficulty accessing accurate campus layout and location data. To overcome this, we used mobile GPS apps and tools like Google Earth to find the most accurate coordinate. And the next struggle is incomplete or outdated building and facility information. Actually, University of Moratuwa is widely improving one. That means in facilitates like in the category of facilities, it is rapidly growing. So the Google Map does not support for the new buildings, and some incompleted buildings are there. So our map performed multiple field visits to validate the pin location, and we use online platforms for our smooth collaboration. And also, we were very eager to get the feedbacks of the community because our final product is going for the society or the university population. So we basically conducted some online platforms like Google Drive, and we asked for their feedbacks. And in such a way, we created a feedback forum like GeoVisionaries UOM, and we shared it with our friends, with our seniors, and some of our staff members too. And we recognized and we understood what they really need, and we understood the problems that they are facing currently with the current map system, and we understand the problem, and we managed to find solutions as we could for the current problems. Beyond the words, let's see how this really works, and let's see what are the special features that this platform offer for you, actually, for the audience or the clients. Let's see how this really works. Here's the map link where we can access, and so one can wonder that. Moreover, one can wonder what are the key differences of this map with compared to the digital map or the Google Map that we use day to day. So first one is lab facility and navigation. Unlike Google Map, our map points to the special rooms, labs in the university building. So as I said earlier, this map is a custom built one for the University of Moratuwa, and this offers the features that the Google Map does not support. So this is created in the layout of the university system and navigation. So this especially point out the importance of this map. So the next one is, as I said earlier, actually, indoor and flow level details. And the next one is event and academic integration. Our map can support orientations, convocations, and crowd controlling and even research purposes for the student. So, and the most important thing is that we design this product based on the feedbacks and the ideas of the current population within the university. This makes this product more relative and focused to the university target. Our target audience is the university base. So this is a specific map that is created for the university system beyond or other than like Google Earth. So finally, that's the end of our presentation. And thank you so much for each and everyone who supported us. So thank you so much. And here's the end. And we are team of Group 1.